Hey, I'm Whitney Brock, and this is a quick tip. Dimples are really cute on faces, but not so much on a canvas. So this is made by something it was leaning up against, or, you know, I've actually bought canvases and didn't realize that they came from the store that way. So a quick way to fix it and bring back its tautness is with water. It's kind of like washing a pair of jeans, and they come back from the wash, they don't fit you anymore because they shrunk. So we're gonna shrink it. We're gonna flip it over. Got my little spray bottle, it's just water. Spray it on. And if it's something that's like a really big impression, you might need to lay it down and really soak it. You can add as much water as you want. It's not gonna hurt the canvas from behind. It's already going away, it's shrinking, and it's shrinking. I've really pulled some major dents out of canvases before, so don't toss them, definitely fix it and move on. So if you like this little tip, hit like, and until next time, happy painting and keep that paintbrush wiggling.